You know, we're talking about the hot weather, how hot it is. And so I'm trying to come up with some side dishes that I think y'all would enjoy that doesn't require heat from your oven or anything. So I'm sharing with you a recipe, again, out of the Deen family cookbook. And I'm gonna need like 5 tablespoons of parsley. And this is a corn and carrot slaw with golden raisins. And the golden raisins are gonna give you that bite of sweet in it. Now I didn't say anything to Teresa. Teresa does the grocery shopping. And I wasn't sure if we were gonna make this salad today or not. So you really need to use your fresh grated carrots. You know, they make these and it's real convenient to put in a little tossed salad or something for color. But if you want a really good carrot salad, you buy the whole carrots and you grate your own, and it makes all the difference in the world. So today, do as I say, not as I'm doing. Parsley has such a fresh fragrance, doesn't it? You know, you don't think about parsley having really a lot of flavor, you know, but it kind of has that little bitty bit. All right, now I'm going to transfer that to a little bigger bowl. And I'm going to add whole kernel corn, and this has been frozen. With it being summertime, I would take advantage of using the fresh corn that's coming in. All right, now I've got my lemon juice and my raisins. And I'm going to use some olive oil from the people that make some olive oils for me, Divine. And I'm going to use a lemon flavor. And I just need like a teaspoon, about a teaspoon. And that ain't much mayonnaise, is it? That ain't much mayonnaise. But we'll see. We will see. What y'all think? A little bit more mayonnaise?
It looks like it.
We need more mayonnaise, don't we?
And I will.
Thank you. Thank you. Yeah, that wasn't enough to write home about. Maybe twice that much. But in all fairness, this is another light dish from the Deen family cookbook. All righty. I think that's mixed up good, and the extra mayonnaise. And I don't want to sound like I'm harping, because I'm not. But if those had been fresh grated carrots, it probably would not have needed more mayonnaise.
Okay.
Because these are processed, you know, so.
It dries, they
Yeah.
soak it up.
Yeah. All right, so let's see. I've always loved a carrot salad. You know, the raisins make it that little bit of sweet. It's very good. Those carrots are just a little harder to bite.
Crunchy. I hear you're crunching.
Mm-hmm. I'm a crunchy. I'm a crunchy. But it's really good. You know, a little different from like your normal carrot salad.
Well, corn. The
Oh
corn
yeah, I like the corn in it. And I would certainly use fresh corn this time of year.
Because we have it.
Mm-hmm. But you see what I'm saying now, don't you? After tasting it and how those...
It's good, though.
It is good. The flavors are good.
Mm.
And good for you. So that is it, y'all. The only thing I got left to say is love and best dishes to y'all. Hey y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.